Guys, in today's video I want to show you how to design a letter pad of doctor in a msword program. Let's begin, guys. First you should click on insert. When you click on it, then you have to pick up a shape. The shape in here you should draw. Okay, after this there is edit shape, edit points. If you click there, to other points is going to be appear like this one. So when it is appearing, so we can drag it up and down like this one. And also you can, it means change here, so as you wish regarding your own design you can. So after this you should press Ctrl D for duplicate, fix it, so like this. Again Ctrl D into this position. I want to leave. Okay, now I want to change the color of the down, the last one. I want to change its color, so click here. I want to change its color to black. The middle color I want to change it to white. In the last I want to change its color to red, but I will move it a little bit ahead. Then here it is, my design is going on. So now I want to select all them to make it group. So for this, if you are selecting here, it's a little bit time consuming like this one, but you can click here and select the objects, so it is easy. And also you can select here selection pane, so click here one by one like this one. Okay, if you selected all them, so you have to go, or it means click on a format, then there is a group, then press group. It is grouped. So after this I need here to draw here a line. Then I will click on insert, then shape, and then I will draw this one. So I want to change its color little bit. I want to increase its size, and then I want to change its color to this green. Then I want to duplicate it, you know, Control D. I pressed Control D, so I will select this and I want to change its color to red, maybe some any other color you can select. And so for this I wanna send it back. You should click in here, you should say send it back of other shapes. You should select in the next one and click on this and send it back to. Okay, we can also like here, this is a shape. We should here like it's like I wanna shadow for this one. The shadow should be, and also we can reflect here the other, and also we can increase the transparency here, and also blur, more other things you can apply, but I don't want to use it. So especially we can use from this position. It means like we need here the shape effect, so you can give here this is the shadow. For that you can select the right one, like here this is maybe the right one. And after this, so we want to write here, it means there is some text that you want to mention here. So you should click here and insert, then click on a text box, and here draw text box. Here I want to write, it means to draw the text box. when you have done, so you should write here. I want to write here Dr. Naveed, for example Ahmadi. So I will select, and also before I select or change or something, I wanna click or press the control the enter button. Then I have to write MD and MMS, or maybe any other degree you can write here. And also you can write here, we can write here some text that, like for example current, we can say here current job or duty in for example Ahmadi style. So you can write more other things. So right now I want to select this, and so I want to go home. Then I will select it means in the middle, and increase their size, and also bold and more other things you can add here. So, and I want to change this font, click here and select this one. In the down one, and also you can change the color, and also more other things like increase the size, and also I want to change its color to black and bold it. And so after if I click down, so that the outline is looking it's not looking good, so we should clean or remove it. Click on it, then you have to select no outline. Okay, when you have done this, after this we need here in the middle, so there is a symbol that we can add. So click on the insert and click on a picture, and after this you should download a text or maybe a picture. Like for example this picture I want to add in the middle, but no, this is not a good, because we should add it means in the middle here. But for this we should click on the design, then we have to click on the watermark, then custom watermark, then there is a picture watermark, then select picture and click offline, and you should click on the download, and then you should select, like this is a picture, you should insert in here everything, then you have to apply. But look at that, it's looking like as a blur. We should uncheck this one, then apply. It is looking, it means right, and so we should decrease its size like this one. And also if you wanna like a little bit more like this one, we can. So then you have to put this right, then close. So after this, if you want to hear something for the, it means a shape for writing address, you should select here like this one and change this color maybe any color that you want. So I want to change the color like this one. And so after this you should click here on edit points. For edit points you take it down like this. So okay, when you done it, you should remove outline, no outline. Then you have to Control D, it means duplicate. So you should change its color to black, and so down like this one, and you should send it back like this, and you should increase its size. And so the next one, and you should it means select both of them, this one and this one, and you made it group. Then you should select it back, you should click here and send back. So in here you can write the address, and also you can increase its size a little bit. So you can change any design, it means color of it. If the red was is not a beautiful color for you, you can select one by one. So then I made it. You can make such a designs in a msword program. Please don't forget to subscribe of my channel.